Hey everyone, this is Mayur. Welcome to MLWorks. In this video, we'll talk about 5 different websites that you can use to get started with machine learning. First is Kaggle.com. It is a virtual environment provided by Google, and you can create your notebooks here, Jupyter notebooks, and run them in the cloud. And it also provides hardware accelerators like GPU to run highly intensive deep learning models if required. And along with that, it also provides other features like competition, where you can participate in competitions, data science competition, and collaborate with other Kagglers. And it also has a repository of data sets, and if you're looking for specific data sets to work on, then you can just go and filter down those data sets here. Like for image classification, you can go under computer vision and select the data set and start working on it. And the other feature includes code, where you can access the code of different Kagglers who have been working on different notebooks on different dataset problems, right? Data science problems. You can access their code also here and learn from them. And along with that, it also provides a discussion forum. And if you are trying to solve some data science problem in your organization, and if you don't know how to if you feel stuck somewhere, you can probably post a question here, and there will be folks who will be ready to answer your problem, who will be ready to solve your problem probably. And there is something called as Learn and Kaggle, where you will find basic courses on machine learning. So you will have Python, machine learning, what is machine learning, pandas, particular library, right, and intermediate of machine learning. So there are different courses available here which you can use and get started with machine learning in general. So along with that, there is other websites which you can follow, right, for something called as Google Collab. So it is also similar to Kaggle. The only main difference is it doesn't provide like competition, data sets, anything. It just provides you with a virtual environment for running your code. It also provides hardware accelerators. So the only thing you need to do is you just have to have a Google account like a Gmail, and you can probably go to Google Colab and start working on it. And the third website I'll share is it's towards data science. Okay, this is a publication, and this provides you with a blog post on all the concepts you have on machine learning, right? You can just go and search here. For example, data cleaning. Okay, if you search for data cleaning, there will be many blog posts which will be clearly explaining about data cleaning. So you can use this particular website to learn about data science concepts. So this is very helpful. And if you are into research aspects of machine learning and artificial intelligence, then I would suggest going for papers with code. So this is another website where you will have different different research papers, and based on it is like filtered across the tasks actually. So if you go to this particular papers with code, you will find all the latest research happening in each of these fields, like object detection, image classification, or NLP. So all those different research that is happening, you can find it here, and you can also have implementation of those papers here available. For example, if I go to browse state of the art on image classification, okay, so you will see ImageNet. This is a data set, and there will be if I select any one of those particular paper, right? So this is the data set I'm selecting actually, image classification on ImageNet. So probably you will see here somewhere. So these are different models, okay, different models for image classification. And there are also links to particular GitHub repository where this particular paper has been implemented. Okay, so I'll just go to browse state of the art and go to any of the papers here. So if I go to this paper here, okay, so you will see the implementation aspect here. So you can go there and check how this paper has been implemented, and you can also discuss the same with the authors if required. That is on GitHub actually, that you have to do it on GitHub. And if you're much more into research paper and reading research papers, right, then you can also go for explainpaper.com. What it will do is you can go and select any of the papers. This is a transformer paper, and if you don't understand any of the concepts here, you just have to select, okay, and it will tell you what is that particular concept is. For example, what is transduction models? Okay, this is the definition of that particular keyword inside that paper. So this website can also help you become a better data science engineer. Okay, and these are the some basic what websites that you can use to become an proficient data science engineer or machine learning engineer. First is Kaggle, next is Google Collab, third is Towards Data Science, fourth is Papers with Code, and fifth is explainpaper.com. I hope you got all the websites, and